Data handling in AI. Beginner level. Introduction. Artificial intelligence. AI. Systems depend on data to learn patterns and make predictions. However, simply collecting data is not enough. The data must be stored, organized, processed, and prepared before it can be used for training AI models. This entire process is called data handling. Data handling ensures that data is accurate, structured, accessible, and ready for machine learning algorithms. Good data handling improves the quality, efficiency, and reliability of AI systems. What is data handling in AI? Data handling refers to the process of collecting, storing, organizing, processing, and managing data used in AI systems. In simple words, data handling equals managing data so AI systems can use it effectively. Example concept. Raw data means processing means structured dataset means AI model. Without proper data handling, AI models may produce incorrect or unreliable results. Steps in data handling. Data handling involves several key steps. Data collection. The first step is gathering data from various sources. Examples: databases, sensors, websites, user interactions, public datasets. Example concept. Data sources means collected data means dataset. Data storage. After collection, data must be stored properly. Common storage systems include relational databases, cloud storage, data warehouses, distributed storage systems. Efficient storage allows AI systems to access large datasets quickly. Data organization. Data must be organized in a format that machine learning models can process. Common formats include tables, CSV files, JSON files, structured datasets. Example dataset: age, salary purchased, 25,40,000 yes, 30,500 no, 35,600 yes. Organized data makes analysis easier. Data cleaning. Real-world data often contains missing values, duplicate records, incorrect entries. Data cleaning removes or fixes these issues. Example concept. Dirty data means cleaning means reliable dataset. Clean data improves AI model accuracy. Data transformation. Sometimes data must be transformed into a suitable format. Examples: converting text to numbers, scaling numerical values, encoding categories. Example concept. Raw data means transformation means machine-readable format. Transformation prepares data for machine learning algorithms. Data splitting. Before training AI models, datasets are usually divided into parts. Common dataset splits. Training data, used to train the model. Validation data, used to tune the model. Test data, used to evaluate performance. Example concept. Dataset means train, validation, test. This helps evaluate how well the AI model performs on unseen data. Example: data handling workflow. Typical AI data pipeline. Data collection means storage means cleaning means transformation means model training. Each step ensures that the AI model receives high-quality input data. Data handling tools. Several tools help manage large datasets. Common tools include Pandas, data analysis in Python; NumPy, numerical computing; SQL databases, structured data storage; Apache Spark, big data processing. These tools allow developers to process millions of data points efficiently. Example Python program. Example using Pandas. Import Pandas as PD. Data equals age 25, 30, 35, salary 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, closing curly bracket. df equals PD, data frame. Data, print, df, output, age, salary. 02540 130500 23560. Pandas helps organize and analyze datasets used in AI. Challenges in data handling. Handling data in AI systems can be challenging. Large data volumes. Modern AI systems may process millions or billions of records. Efficient storage and processing systems are required. Data privacy. Some datasets contain sensitive information. Examples: medical records, financial transactions, personal data. Organizations must follow data protection regulations. Data quality. Poor data quality can reduce AI performance. Problems may include incorrect values, inconsistent formatting, incomplete records. Maintaining high-quality data is essential. Real-world applications. Data handling is essential for many AI systems. Recommendation systems. Streaming platforms manage large datasets of user behavior. Healthcare AI. Medical systems process patient records and medical images. Fraud detection. Financial institutions analyze transaction datasets. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars process data from sensors, cameras, and radar systems. Concepts learned from data handling. Understanding data handling helps beginners learn. Checkmark how AI systems manage datasets. Checkmark how data is prepared for machine learning. Checkmark how data pipelines work. Data handling is a fundamental skill in AI, data science, and machine learning. Simple definition. Data handling in AI. The process of collecting, storing, organizing, cleaning, and preparing data so that artificial intelligence systems can analyze it and learn from it. Final summary. Data handling is a critical part of building AI systems. It includes collecting data, storing it properly, organizing it into structured formats, cleaning errors, transforming data into machine-readable forms, and splitting datasets for training and testing. Effective data handling ensures that AI models receive high-quality data, leading to better predictions and improved performance. Understanding data handling provides an essential foundation for learning machine learning, data science, and artificial intelligence.